Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we're finally giving you guys an update on the S60R carbon fiber body kit, and we're also working on the S80 V8 carbon body kit. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, we have a super packed video for you guys today. We're gonna be working on the S60R body kit. So we're gonna show you guys the little repairs that we had to do on the body kit. There had been some damage that was done to it when I inserted the foam with mech in the last video. This video was a long time ago, as you guys can see. It was in the summer and now it's cold and there's ice and snow everywhere, but whatever. So I'm gonna get a link to the video down in the comments description below, guys. So if you want to go see that video before, it was a little introduction on what we were gonna do with that body kit. Now we're gonna attack the body kit for the S60R, so just finalizing the preparation and everything for the primer. And then we're gonna go ahead and sand down the carbon fiber body kit that we're gonna be doing for the S80 V8. The S80 V8, guys, will be a full forged carbon fiber body kit on the inside and the outside. Actually, the body kit is on the outside, sorry guys. So the outside is gonna be a plain weave body kit and the inside is gonna be fully forged carbon fiber. So you guys can imagine what we will do with that, and what do you guys say? Let's go downstairs in my basement and let's start working. Alrighty guys, so I made a new workspace for me and Mech when we're going to be working on our little projects down here. So update for the S60R, the carbon fiber lip. So like you guys know, the full body kit on the S60R will be made of forged carbon fiber. So all of the exterior pieces, so like the mirrors, the front lip, and the ducktail that we still haven't found for the R is going to be made of forged carbon fiber. I'm going to grab the pieces for the S80 V8, sorry guys. So these are made out of fiberglass. So like you guys know, we are not making a full carbon fiber body kit. The carbon body kit is going to be skinned over the fiberglass. So fiberglass is already super light. So instead of us making molds and doing it again, we're just going to be skinning these ones to start off. And then maybe if the end result is actually really nice, we might actually do molds in the end to actually produce a body kit for the V8, since there is none anywhere on the market. So these are what we're going to be starting with. We're going to start with sanding it down just like we did on the S60R lip. You want to make sure that the surface is all nice and prepped for the resin that we will be using and everything. So there's a whole big process to make carbon. We're not going to go in detail how to skin a pieces in carbon. If you guys want to know about that, that's not really the time that we're going to be doing it. We're just going to be doing the work and showing you guys the before and after and a little bit of the process, since like recording and with the gloves and everything, it's like it gets super complicated, guys. So we're gonna get working. Let's get to sanding. I'll show you guys a couple of B-rolls as well of the S60R lip. I had to do a repair on it with fiberglass because it cracked in certain different areas. So I repaired it. Now we still have to prime it and prepare it for the final surface. And then we're gonna get going on the V8 body kit. You and me hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Alright guys, so what we did was sand down the whole piece, and now we have filled in the gaps. This is the center lip for the V8. So this is the V8 lip. So this is the centerpiece of the three-piece lip. We filled in the gaps over here, as you guys can see, with some fiberglass resin. So all of the gaps are filled, and then once that is done, we're gonna make sure that the surface is all nice and clean. And then once the surface is all clean, then we can start layering the carbon and doing the work that Alright guys, so we have to let the resin, well actually the Bondo, which is the carbon fiber resin, solidify and everything. So we can't really work on it as of for now. So all of the sanding of the parts are done, everything is done, and we'll see you guys in a part 3 video for the carbon fiber body kit for the V8. As far as update wise, we're pretty much ready to layer the carbon and we're ready to work on it. There's nothing much left that has to be done. Currently we're not filming any videos with the V8 this week because the V8's at the garage. There's a lot of maintenance that had to be done. Not a lot of it, but like some big parts of maintenance. We have to change some ABS sensors and things like that. So some pretty good maintenance that has to be done on the car, and we'll be back with regular videos next week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.